This is the Brother Model 5300 Universal Sewing Machine Case. Now, I've wanted one of these for a while, actually, ever since I bought my Brother machine. I also thought they're wonderful cases for some of the smaller antique machines like a 99 or a Spartan. It looks like those would fit in there, but I haven't tested it yet. This is specifically for the Brother LX3014. So I just took it out of the box. It's quite nice. It's heavy-duty plastic. It's not a brittle type of plastic. It's almost like a cooler that you would keep food in or beverages. It's got heavy-duty locks on each end, on the left and on the right. And what I want to show you with this is how the machine fits into it. So it's the Model 5300 Universal Case by Brother. Comes in two pieces. It has some kind of gridding or bumpiness on the bottom there, which is probably to hold the machine in place, and it's quite roomy. Now, as I said, I have the LX3014, which is a free arm machine, and that is how it fits in it. I'm losing the lid over here a little bit. Now, I have the machine set up to actually use, and I'm thinking of leaving it in the bottom of the case all the time, because that's what I do with my other machines. Now, that will interfere with the free arm, so that it depends on the type of sewing I'll be doing. But you can see there's plenty of room for that to fit in there. Now, I have the spool pin up, and I do have the cords plugged in, so I'm not going to put this on completely. I did put the spool pin down to put that on there. It's really a nice case. I've dealt with the vintage cases, mainly with old Singer machines, and the plastic ends up being very brittle. I don't think that will happen with this. So there's the Brother LX3014 in the Brother number 5300 Universal Case.